Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add a pop-up chat animations to your video in CapCut. So what you need to do is prepare a main video. This is the main video, and also a screen record of you, for example, chatting someone. So I've already done it before. So what you need to do is add it as overlay, add the screen record video as overlay. Click on add. Okay, after that, in here you need to, I'm going to make it short, or you can also make it faster to adjust to the clip, like this, for example, and then go to blend, then choose the filter. Okay, now I'm going to crop the clip so it only shown the necessary part. So here I've already added like this. Now you can just go back and you can add animation if you want into this pop-up chat. So go to in and find the one that you think fits. So I'm going to, for example, add the slide. Let's try the slide left, maybe like this, and just like that, the pop-up chat animation has been added to the clips. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks. Bye.